Hello and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to use the Micorsoft Store. So, what we're going to do in this tutorial is use the Micorsoft Store and download an app. First thing we're going to do is press the Windows key, or go down to the bottom left of the screen and press the Start key there. Then we're going to start typing Micorsoft Store. There it is. I'm going to click that, and here it will open up as the Micorsoft Store. For this particular tutorial, we will be downloading Skype. So we're going to go to the top search bar here, and we're going to insert Skype and hit enter. You will then get presented with a whole bunch of apps, but we're going to click on Skype. Now it will load in the product Skype, and to download Skype, we're going to press Get. And we're going to press Install on whatever drive you would like it to be. It will now start your download. We can check the download by clicking here in the top, and here is our download queue, Skype. It will then show us our download speed and how much more the download there is. It will now install, and it will be added to our installed apps. If you go to installed here, you will be able to see that Skype is now there, and you can either launch it from here, or you can press the Windows key or the Start menu key and type in Skype. To know how to set up a Skype account, please follow our tutorial on how to set up Skype.